Sensational.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I'm getting so hot, I'm looking around.
YouTube! Yo, YouTube, it's your man John Payne back with another video, man. And today's video kind of backfired a little bit, but I'm gonna give you the backstory. So, from now on, the plan was to do like 2 videos in one, 3 videos in one, you know, vlog. So like this, like a vlog, a prank, you know, something to keep you guys attentive other than just vlog. But that's not what happened in this video. This video, we me and my boys, we all put our money together. We was like, flip it, let's go to Monster Jam, you know, something different, something new. So I haven't been since I was like 7. I'm like, why not, you know, just be goofy, just go. So we went to Monster Jam, had fun. We were downtown, just chilling, you know, vibing. And yeah, so for future references, it's gonna be more than just vlogs. And yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, enjoy the video.
Right, I see Grave Digger, boy. We're here at Ford Field, man. You already know what the deal is, my brother. We're gonna see some Grave Digger. See Grave Digger.
We're gonna get kicked out. Let's get kicked out.
Oh yeah. You think about to go fucking insane.
Hey, free peasy, dog. Free peasy. Free peasy. Who else locked up? We just
Hey, we up in Detroit. We just saw Monster Jam. Gravedigger took the dub.
Of course he did.
Shit.
He's just that guy.
He's just
Just
that
him.
guy.
It's just him. And then there was the El Toro Loco D Tacos. And he was going crazy, man. He's going crazy.
The shark, that Byaku guy, nigga.
Yeah, Baku.
That guy, he's crazy. I give him
sick.
third place for a reason.
And the
bro.
shark, the Megalodon, he was out.
We out here. We just absolutely finessed the absolute mess out of some parking guy. Absolutely just parked for free. I don't know how
I
we
just
did it.
went over there and started talking to their daughter.
Bro.
What they gonna do?
I'm now finna probably finna go to Belle or something. I don't know.
Where's the rooster tail?
Off of Belle. Oh. So we out here on Belle. Look at this. We're kind of past like everything. We about to go up to this lighthouse in the eastern edge of the island, and we got some pretty good views already. But yeah, that's the move right now. It's wet everywhere.
Who's first?
All right, me. Oh, are you actually going in here?
I mean, I'm with you. I mean,
Y'all want to go in?
is there cameras?
What are they gonna do?
That's crazy.
Hey, let
Shut
me see
up.
the cam.
No.
Stand.
No.
Stand.
I'm standing.
Stand how you were just standing.
What you mean? This is how I was just standing.
No, it
I was
wasn't.
like literally just standing. Like I don't know what you're talking about.
Bruh. Julian, was he standing like that?
It's not like, bro. Like I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Oh, there's a bridge over there.
Whoa.
$20 to jump in that. Wow. Should we use it like a bench?
Here, wait, take a picture of us. Like.
No, I wanna get a next picture too.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I'm trying to. Leave me in over yonder. Okay, this is fire, like smoking. Like after prom, this is where I'm gonna be. Like I guess I'm trying to mark this bitch. Like shit. If we need to just have a moment, like damn, we graduated and shit. Like yeah, we come out here and reminisce and shit.
Stop it. Get some help.
Iron Lake or something. Yeah, like Iron Lake. Oh look, right here. This shit beautiful.
All right, so I don't know if y'all know, but recently I've been thinking about doing like a second channel, like a talk channel. This is like the spot I was thinking about doing it. Like it's just open, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably not gonna do it like right here because it's low-key a hell of a walk. But I am definitely finna start like another channel. Like y'all know like that Drake and Lil Yachty. Why just at me? It is beautiful, no cap. But anyway, just stay tuned. New channel coming on the way. Just straight talks.
Myself.
Bro, what are you doing?
Okay.
Bro, it's like mad blue. It's like crazy. It's actually like really peaceful. It's nice. It's like crazy.
Next lunch problems all go away.
Word, for real. It's pretty cold, but you know, I'll deal with it. Know what I'm saying? Man, like an hour and a half later, we out about to get some food. We at this place called Honest John's. Pretty good.
Hey man, for y'all girls, man, need a prom day out here. I'm here, man. No cap. Yeah, Julian's gone.
Bro, where's Julian?
Yeah.
Said he had to do.
Bro, it's crazy that it's snowing outside like right now. Hey man, tell the people what's going on, brother.
We just got done going to Honest John's. Shit was low-key banging. I gotta keep in mind. Gotta remember this place in the
Hey, hold
future.
on. Hey, Honest John sponsor me, man. I'm your next biggest thing. We about to go hit up this place. Shit, about to get some ice cream. Check out this guy. All right, 2 blocks to the left. Finna get some ice cream. We had to go to another block because the other one was closed. So now we're gonna try this new spot.
Type shit. My boy John Payne.
Hold on, keep the ice. Don't forget about the ice.
Oh yeah, feel me.
Forget about the
What
$5.
you gonna do, nigga? I'm here. What you gonna do when I'm here?